Hello and welcome again to part 3 of this video tutorial. Okay, now in this video we are gonna style these buttons and put a nice header up on top of the website, naming it our company name and everything. So in preview, these buttons are all in place, but it looks ugly. Actually we need one more button. This is a continuation from previous videos, so if you don't, you make sure you have to watch the previous videos to understand what's going on here. So one more button here, and let's make it so these buttons appear in center of the page. So we go to this table tag over here in TD. After TD we create a space and then align space equals open inverted commas center, and so offset. So we copy this code and let's avoid some typing and select every button, and on top we just paste it. Yes. Then we select this. Easier method would be select the buttons, go to properties, and not the buttons, the tables where we want to align, and then do center. It does same thing actually. Just select that table where we want to align and then select align center. So all buttons are in center. Let's run and see. All button looks good. Now we need to rename. Select the button and the button's text and text property. Let's start with naming appropriately. In caps we go inventory, select button, caps, we go find item, and so on and so forth. And finally log out, and we preview the site, save all, and it's look all right. Now we just have to style the button. So we go to our style page again, put the cursor down here, and we create a class style here. So we start with a dot, not a hash sign. We say dot like name anything. Let's name it main buttons, and we open bracket and close bracket, and between the brackets we paste in these codes. These codes I haven't typed. There are multiple CSS button generator online. You can go and pick anyone. Anyways, save this, select your button. In button CSS class, select the main style, button style. Don't worry if it goes to the site. Main button style. Just put the main button style in every one of those buttons, and then we preview how it looks. So done. We preview in browser, and it looks like a menu item. But notice when we hover mouse over the buttons, they don't kind of animate. So the users won't know if, like, it will still be clickable, but it's better if we put the mouse over and animates. So we go to style, and then we do a dot main buttons, then colon hover, then open bracket and close bracket, and now in between these we write what happens when we hover. So we just write simply it gets underlined. So save. Let's see if it works. And sure enough, get some kind of feedback. You can go crazy with that and make the button look very different. Anyways, so this is fine for now, and we just decorate the top area with company name and logo and everything. Inside this box 1, we create a couple of div tags. So we make space here, and we create a div tag 1, 2, and 3 div tags, and we give them ID of ID equals company logo. This one would be ID equals company name. This one would be ID equals login name. Login. We should not have a space over here, so company name, then we copy this, copy, and we go a pound sign, then paste, then open bracket, then close bracket, and between the brackets we paste in our code like so, and we create another one for company logo. Notice we do not have a company logo yet, so let's in themes folder, let's make a new folder. Let's make a new folder outside here. New folder, we name it images, and then we right click this folder, open in Windows Explorer, and we paste a logo image here. Right click and paste. This is just a simple image with INB written on it. Okay, now go to Visual Studio and do a refresh, and the image appears. Copy this company logo, copy, go to pound sign, we do paste, and between these we paste in our code to position the logo correctly and have the image. Just to make sure the image path is correct, I'm going to right click, build style, and go to background and browse and select the image again from the images folder. So path seems to be correct and everything seems to be okay. Now if we switch over to default, we see the inventory is incorrect, and in company name div we write now YouTube video inventory. Something you want, tree company. Set, so the company name appears. Let's preview. So all right, all buttons are there. Let's have a gray line over here, so it's kind of gets separated, and a logout control over here. So let's have under our login name div tag, we have another div tag, div id equals gray line, close that, close div, and we don't have to put any code here, just copy this name and create a code for gray line. So pound gray line, and just make a line over here. We paste in codes for the line like set, save, and see, yes, gray line came indeed, and we see looks perfect. Now just have to have a logout button here, and then we will code all these buttons. So we just take this login name and create another style for it. So and we paste in codes to look the login button looks okay. We go in here and we don't see anything, so we maybe just put down some text here as login name for now. Yeah, it looks fine. Let's just see on the website. Yes, the login name will be there. Now let's start coding this logout button first, and make a login page in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Let's share and subscribe. Thank you.